Hi there, this is Ammar from 10 Minute Millionaire. Stick to the video till end for tons of useful info. If you are new to this channel, please click the subscribe button now to get useful videos every week about online money making methods. If you want to design the cover by yourself, then the amazing website is www.canva.com. This is one of my favorite to design anything which you want to design by yourself. Oh, I'm sorry, pardon me, it's canva.com. Now here we are, and there are so many templates here. Among these templates you can click more if you don't find the template you're looking for. What we're looking for is book cover. You see this here under the category of blogging and ebooks, it's book cover. You can click book cover. It will take little time to download, not a problem. Now on the left side you see all of these sample book covers. What you can do is you can choose any of this here and then you make the changes. So let me see what book cover will suit to the ebook which I have decided to write. It's about a teller training, bank teller training. Okay, let me see. I think this one here looks better, this one with the high-rise buildings, and then this one. Okay, this will do good. What I can do is you just click and drag it, or you can simply click and drag in here. Okay, now this is here. You can make the changes. I'll make the changes here. What it's the title is teller training, and then become top bank teller training. Okay, this is the title here. If there is any description or slogan you can put here. I will write here complete bank teller training 2018. If you like, you can write your name or publishers. It's up to you. I'll write our brand name. Okay, so it's gonna be RY business. That's it. Now we have a cover here. Here you can write your own name. There you go. We got the name and we got the title. We got all the details in here. It's that simple. It's done. And now what you can do is you just download. Here while you're downloading, you can choose JPG or PNG, any format. So I'll choose JPG and I'll download. It's that simple. It's not difficult if you want to make the book cover by yourself, but you have to choose from these templates, or you can drag and drop other designs from your own source as well. There you go. It's all downloaded and that's what we can use. And for the content and other details, we'll go to the next lecture.